Hey everyone, this is Vinit Modi. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do an unboxing video of Dell Inspiron 5590, which is from 5000 series laptop by Dell. So where did I get it from? I ordered it from their website dell.com. It was a quick delivery to me and I got it within 3 to 4 days. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Okay, let me open up the box. I must say the box is really great. Wow, it comes with two bubble packed packaging system, and I must say the packaging is really great. This secures your laptop during transportation. Alright, let me remove the sleeve. Look at this. It gives a really premium feeling. Okay, we have a user manual. On left, what we have? We have 65 watt adapter which comes along with this box. Okay, here we have our laptop. The laptop gives really premium feeling. It is a silver color laptop and the weight of the laptop is pretty much decent, 1.68 grams. This laptop is really thin, as you can see it. On the left hand side we have one HDMI, two USB and one USB-C along with the charging power socket. So there's a light indicator which shows the charging is on or off. On the right hand side we have one more USB which is really great, and the headphone jack and the SD slot. On the back of the laptop we have Inspiron inscription. The back is also silver. This is the vent. It has one fan out here. There are two sound stereo speakers out here which gives a good feeling of the stereo sound effect. Overall body is non-aluminum. It is a fiber. Okay, let's boot it up. The good thing about this is as soon as you open the lid, it automatically boots up, so you don't have to do manual process. So this has NVMe SSD. So as you can see that I have just turned it on and it turned out really quickly. So this is the advantage of having SSD into your system. On the top right corner we have fingerprint scanner. If you get your finger really right on this, it scans really quickly. It's that quick. The keyboard is backlit. The keys are really visible during the low light environment. The screen is 15.6 inch and it is full HD. So the screen is with low bezel area and it's full HD, so you can see even the 4K video runs into the system. It has one camera and two microphone areas out here. It has Dell inscription. There is a vent area out here. The Dell has provided two vent area out here, so the hot air which is sucked from the bottom, it throws from here. Okay, this laptop I have ordered with graphics card. The configuration of this is i5 10th generation Intel processor with 6 MB of cache memory. It has 8 GB of RAM which is divided into two slots, 4 and 4, 512 NVMe SSD which is expandable, and also it has additional slot of HDD, so you will be able to expand it more further as per your needs in the future. It comes with 2 GB of NVIDIA MX250 graphics card, and it has the battery with 3-cell battery with 42 WHR, and it comes with 1 year of warranty. Let me show you the 4K video quality and the sound which is coming from the stereo sound. Thanks for watching the video till the end. That was one of a kind unboxing video, isn't it? Alright, I'll be using this laptop for my graphical tools and also for the normal use as well. So if you have any questions around it, let me know in the comment section. I'll be addressing them as much as I can, and I'll be creating more videos of such kinds, not only on gadgets but on different topics as well. So please like this video, please subscribe to my channel and wait for my next video. Thank you. Stick around.